Hello there, Mr. Boom here. Welcome to Forex Billionaire Hub, and in this video we're gonna analyze the market for fundamental reasons or for fundamentally for gold market. Okay, and as per USD always connected with gold. Okay, so we have to analyze USD news, and we will break down the advantage or disadvantage of the war or geopolitical issues and economic calendars. Okay, first of all, yesterday night there was a war attack from US and Israel in Iran. Okay, and Iran's supreme leader Ayatollah, and as per we said before, if there is any uncertainty in geopolitical issues, that means gold is the safest haven in the world, or most safe currency in the world. So investors are going to invest on gold a lot. That's why in Monday, that means tomorrow, we are going to see a big gap between market open. Suppose current market position is there, market will open maybe from with that kind of gap, market will open from there. Okay, that is the particular gap from the market because of the war or geopolitical uncertainty. Okay, the reason behind gold fly is geopolitical war tension, and investor will free risk asset like Bitcoin and other asset uh, that can be decreased. So gold is always safest haven for the investor. That's why investor will take or buy more gold. Okay, and while price in the meantime, while price will be increased, so we have to keep our concern on that thing also. Okay, and nowadays or in that particular time or in that particular area, we have to keep our concern more than more than economic calendar, and we have NFP in upcoming week. So we will consider, firstly we will consider geopolitical issues, then NFP. Okay, number one is geopolitical issue, and number two is NFP, CPI, or unemployment claims, like that kind of news. And I already explained a lot about the economic calendars news. So you may, if you visit our YouTube channel and in our previous videos like fundamental analysis, in each and every analysis I told that what if for positive news, what if for negative news, and I briefly explained that there why for positive news we will sell gold, why for negative news we will buy gold. So you may see them, and let's get back or let's dive into our next week economic calendar. Okay, I inserted there our next week economic calendar. That means major or upcoming major events in USD. So as per I said before, we have to keep our concern on USD pair only or USD forecast, because gold most probably connected with the USD. So as per you can see there, we have PMI news here. Okay, PMI news here. We have a non-farm employment challenge. We have another PMI. We have unemployment claim. That means jobless claim. And in Friday, March 6th, finally we have NFP. Okay, non-farm unemployment channel. Okay, so this is the most important news on economic calendar in this month, not only that week or this week. This is the most important news for this whole month, so we have to keep our concern on that news also. Then we can consider how our next month or this whole month will begin. Okay, and as per I said before, we have to number one concern is our geopolitical issues. Okay, world issues. Gold can spike up immediately if there is any missile attack on Iran or Israel or USA or USA air base. Okay, so you have to keep your concern on number one thing is there, and number two thing is economic calendar. Okay, economic calendar. Okay, and there is more to go or more to check why gold price spike up or why gold price go down. So you have to keep your concern on that thing or that fundamental factors also. We have to check that kind of data or inflation. There is all of things why gold can spike up. Okay, and current major thing is geopolitical tensions. Okay, where geopolitical tension increase, investor think gold as a safe demand, because from beginning of the world or from the beginning of the civil society, gold price is always increasing, never decreasing, or this is the safest haven for the investor. So if you invest on gold, that will be good for you. You may know that. Okay, and there is a six reason why gold price are going up day by day. Number one was US dollar weakness. Number two is high inflation. Number three and most important is geopolitical tension. And number four is low interest rate. And number five is, as per I said, central bank are buying gold instead of dollar, because gold is most safest haven. Okay. And number six is unstable uncertainty. So I think all thing is clear now. If you have any more query or any more question about geopolitical tensions, you may ask me on comment section. I will reply you immediately, or you may contact our admin and Telegram channel. We are always happy to assist you. We are always happy to reply you in free. Okay, so all thing is clear now. Mr. signing out. Happy trading. Have a nice day.